Welcome! In this short video, we'll show you how to replace the ink tanks in your imagePROGRAF TZ series printer while printing. Before you proceed, it's advisable that you download the online manual to your printer from the Canon website.